How to claim insurance on Pandabuy. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial, I will teach you how to claim your insurance on Pandabuy. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the Pandabuy website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right here on my Pandabuy menu, I can just go to my profile right here on the top right corner and click to my orders. So after I click that, I will be redirected to the settings. So as you can see, it showed all my orders right here. When you order something and it's already done, it's already delivered, and as you can see, the settings will appear right here. As you can see, ordered, received, and there's no actually a button or options where you can claim insurance on the product that you bought if it's defective or it is lost upon delivering. So this you can claim an insurance, you have a right, but there's no option. So the only thing you can do is to contact the agent itself, the one who, or the store itself where you buy, where you ordered the product itself. So you need to contact them and tell them that the order or the product is defective, or the order is lost and it's not delivered to you yet. So yeah, that's the only thing you can do. You can contact them, the store itself. So if you can't do that, so for example, you can't contact them, so the only thing you can do now is to contact itself, the Pandabuy support. So if you want to contact the Pandabuy support, you can just scroll down right here and click contact us, as you can see on the screen, and you will be redirected to this page where you can contact the customer service itself. You can message them or you can email them. As you can see, the email itself is also shown below, their customer support email and business corporation email. Or you can follow their social media account, go to their Discord channel, and contact them about the product that is being defective or lost. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can claim your insurance in Pandabuy. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.